What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
The whole market is red today, but according to one source, the reason why Palantir's share price is falling today is due to Alex Karp's interview last night. So let's see what's happened. Alex Karp, the CEO of Palantir, made some interesting comments during an interview last night, which according to Investor Place, has caused the pullback that we're seeing today. Palantir's CEO's brash comments push his share price lower. Palantir's CEO rips Wall Street as having a destructive and corrosive short-term focus. In this interview, Alex Karp goes on to say that we're in this for the long haul. And if you're speculating or if you're thinking about the short term, then there are plenty of other things to invest in. If you want something else, it's a huge world. Buy some other stock. You don't have to buy Palantir, and no one is forcing you. And I like this mindset from Alex Karp. He simply does not care about short-term traders and wants paper hands to leave and invest in something else. He said this in the past as well, and personally, I would love it if all the paper handers stop and drop the stock and go somewhere else. I believe in this company's long-term growth, which is why Palantir is one of my biggest positions alongside Tesla and NIO. But I find this article from Investor Place really misleading. I don't think this interview is causing this recent pullback in the share price at all. In fact, I think it has absolutely nothing to do with anything when it comes to Palantir's share price. Nearly everything is red today, so I don't get how they've come to this conclusion. The market is red today because of the Fed, inflation and interest rates, not because people have lost faith in Palantir over some interview. But apart from this, a really cool thing about this interview was that Alex Karp went on to praise retail investors. He explained that one of the reasons why they decided to have a direct listing instead of a traditional IPO was because he wanted to level the playing field between individual retail investors like you and me and institutions. And had they done an IPO, I bet Palantir's share price would have opened at something ridiculous like probably around $50 per share. But if you remember, Palantir stayed at around $10 for ages before people started noticing the massive opportunity. In my opinion, Palantir will be a $100 stock in 5 years. The growth potential is massive with this company. No other company has the type of contracts they have with the government and the army. Palantir's Gotham software, for example, is now integrated with the army's latest Mission Command software application, and they're expanding their commercial aspect of the business at a rapid pace. I doubled down on my Palantir position when the stock fell, and honestly, if I had more cash, I would have bought some more shares today. But let me know in the comments below whether you bought more Palantir shares on the dip or if you're planning on starting a position. I first invested in Palantir at around $10, which is way before I started this YouTube channel. Anyways guys, that's it from me today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.